Well, I just got finished from my trip to Super Nintendo World at Epic Universe in Florida, and I got my power-up band, but I can still have some fun with this even though I'm not in the theme park anymore because these are Amiibos for Nintendo Switch games. We have a few power-up bands. I'm going to show you how it works. So I brought my Switch with me on this trip to show you how it works, but if you're wondering what a power-up band is, these are used inside the Super Nintendo World theme parks that Universal has, so you can interact inside the park. You can touch it at different points to get coins or unlock areas or cool effects, but I'm going to show you what happens when you interact with it as an Amiibo in your video games. When you go to Super Nintendo World, you can buy various power-up bands. They come in many different flavors, depending on which character is your favorite. They cost about $40 each. You can also use them as Amiibos in games to get different kinds of cool bonus features in your game. I'm gonna load up here Mario Kart. So we go from here, down, 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 and we wanna select Amiibo. You can't just tap it like this. What you wanna do is flip over your character face, press it on the touch point, and bam, we just got ourselves a new Mii racing suit. You want to make sure that you do have your Amiibo settings turned on in your game. Now with Zelda, I do already have it turned on. You just got to go down to the Amiibo section here, and I do allow it already, so I'm not going to disable it. I'll hit cancel. So you get down to an open area, and when you're ready, in Zelda, I'm going to select Amiibo. Ah, there we go. All right, what does Princess Peach give me? Oh, that's nice. Got some flowers. So it depends on the game. You're going to get different kinds of power-ups depending on what you're jumping into. But it's just a nice little fun token to know that the thing that you spent money on in the theme park actually gets you something a little extra in your video game. The interesting thing about the power-up bands, the Amiibo is what inspired the power-up band to be created when they were working on these theme park lands. These are each $40. But it is interesting that they give you a little more value when you are coming home and being able to use them still as a little video game power-up. So let us know in the comments what you think. Does that make you want to buy one of these more? Hope you enjoyed and have fun playing. Also, they're slap bracelets.